What's up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Market Riders. Beating the market, one trade at a time. If you're new to Market Riders, the investment channel helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, like, comment, and share. Now, today I'll be giving you uh, advice on how to find stock screeners. Stock screeners are basically websites or tools that you can use to find good penny stocks or growth stocks. But today I'll be going over how to find penny stocks. So let's jump into it. So on the first, they have a website called allpennystocks.com. It's a free website. You don't have to pay anything for it. Just Google this website, but it gives you pretty good information. It tells you the symbol, the company, and then it tells you the volume and percent change. It tells you, good or bad percent change. But what I like about this different screener is that it actually tells you it highlights some of them on here. So if you were wondering, what the volume was for a different stock, this is updated pretty regularly. Not updated as much as some of the other ones, but some of these names stand out, like IDEX and TOPS and KTOV, and it just basically shows you the different levels that it was for that day, or what it has changed based on that day. Now, we go into penny stocks. Penny stocks, volume is a really important thing. All of these stocks may not be on Robinhood or Webull, but this is just a good direction, moving forward to try to find some good penny stocks. It's ultimately up to you to do your own due diligence. This shouldn't be the end all be all, but it's a good place to start. Going into another one, we got a website called stocksunderadollar.org. Now, I'll use this one as well. I like this one because you get to filter, so you can do stocks under $1, $2, $5, and then it changes based on volume. You can also filter through different gainers and losers, which is always a good tool to have. And this list is pretty lengthy. It doesn't actually tell you the name of the company, but on here you could definitely click on it, and then when you click on it, it gives you a chart of what the stock is and some different other information. But the one that I use is just this section right here. Go through to find some different ones that I may be interested in. Look up the company, do some research, and this list is a little more lengthy than the previous list. Breaking this down, it's a little different than the hot NASDAQ stocks website. This one actually goes through and it tells you the open, the high, the low, and the close. Then it gives you the volume and the percent change. So those metrics are also really good when trying to find a penny stock, because you can see where it opened at and basically track to see how well it was doing compared to the high and the low, which are pretty good metrics. So, if you're looking at this one, you can see the high is 119, the low is 60 cents. Then it closed at 112, so it's pretty close to the high. And then the volume is really high, and the percent change, which is gain, is pretty high. So it's another one I like to use. It's free as well. Just Google it. They also have an app, and the app is called Best Penny Stocks. I know it's on Android, probably on iOS as well. But just Google that, and they actually have an app for this one, so you don't have to, be by a computer. You can actually download the app, but the app will be called Best Penny Stocks. So just bear that in mind. This one has an app. The other one I don't think has an app. Now, if you're using the Webull platform, they actually have a screener built into the Webull platform. And if you want to join Webull or Robinhood, I have a link down below where you can sign up, and then you can go and just basically replay this video to see that as well. So on here they have a section on the side called Screener. This is on the web platform. It's also the same as in the actual app itself, but you can go through here, change the different market caps based on what you're looking for, and then you can also go and change the different exchanges. So you go NASDAQ, NYSE, AMEX, or you can click all sector. It's really good to change a different sector if you're looking for a specific type of stock. So that's pretty cool with that. And then they have a bunch of different matches already on here based on, when you change the market cap. On here, it actually tells you the name of the stock, tells you the percent change, it tells you the price. Now, on this one, it's not filtered yet, so you'll see some that are like $60, $49, but once you filter the market cap and you actually go through and put in more criteria, then you can actually make one on your own. I also have financial indicator on here, technical indicator. So moving A5 cross, which is moving average, hottest, three white soldiers, bullish and Gulf, MACD golden, and top 5% change 1 month. So that's a different way that you can go. Basically build a screener to help you find different stocks. So this can work for penny stocks, and it can also work for just stocks in general that are gaining. And their list is pretty substantial as far as how many stocks they show on here based on your criteria. So your criteria, the matches will change based on how you change your criteria, but it's just a good way to point you in the direction on actually finding good stocks to trade. Lastly, going into Robinhood. So Robinhood, another way you can find good stocks on Robinhood is they have a category called top movers. So top movers may be one that I use sometimes. And I'll just go through here. If you're looking for penny stocks, it'll tell you, it tells you the percent that they moved today. It tells you the market cap and the price. And then you can go through, and based on the price, you can say, okay, it moved this much percent in the positive or this much percent in the negative. Based on that, you can actually choose which stock you want. It tells you the price, so you can say, if you want a penny stock, you'd be like, okay, I see this one, it ended today, it's moving up 30%, but it's actually priced at 425. And then also you can see some of the ones up here at the top. So like INO, say, okay, it went down, so I may not want to consider that one. But OPKO Health went up, so maybe you want to invest in that one. Do some due diligence, read some articles on it, some press releases, and may consider that one. Another feature that Robinhood has is 100 most popular. So on 100 most popular, it just tells you the 100 most popular stocks on the platform, and then from there you can make an pretty educated decision on what stock you want to actually invest in. So this is for penny stocks as well as for just regular growth stocks. So they have some pretty common names: Disney, Delta, American Airlines, GE, Tesla, Microsoft, Ford, Carnival, GoPro, Apple, Aurora Cannabis. Names that if you're trading stocks you may have come across before, but this actually gives you the real-time data on that. So I hope this helped. Hope it points you on the right direction on actually finding or filtering through the different avenues. Also, again, if you want to join those platforms, I have links down below. Good luck trading to you all out there. Hope it helped. See you guys next time. Peace.